What's up? Thanks for coming to check out this video. So today's video is sponsored by UNice Hair. This is a company I've worked with a long time ago in my past, but I'm so glad to be trying them out again today for you guys. So I love the packaging, so cute. And the package came with the wig, obviously, and then several other goodies, which I thought was really nice. Came with a little jewelry box and a bunch of goodies in this little mesh bag. It has some lashes, a wig melt band, some wig caps, and a couple other things. This I thought was so cute. UNice came out with a pair of earrings. These are like too cute, and it has the UNice logo on it. I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I actually really like them. And then this was a big surprise. It's a satin robe. I love these types of robes. They're lightweight, especially for the summertime, and I just love them. I love doing my hair in them, and I love coming out the shower in them. So thank you, UNice. All right, so let's get into this body wave unit. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and lace is pre-cut. This is a closure, but it is a nice large closure. It comes with combs on the side, comb in the back, and your adjustable lace band, which I absolutely love. It's a breathable cap, so it's an open cap construction, and that's great too. So I just added the styrofoam in and added my Ebin lace tint spray. I use the medium dark brown. I grabbed one of my dark brown wig caps. I get these on Amazon. I'll link those down below to where you can grab the dark brown ones. Those light color ones don't really work for me. This is the Ebin lace adhesive, and this is my Amazon fan. Sometimes I just don't feel like a hard, loud blow dryer blowing in my face, so I really like my little fan. It's USB rechargeable, and it is from Amazon, and I'll link that down below as well. I'm only going to wear the wig for the day, but I do use 2 layers of Ebin adhesive. I just find that it's easier for me to work with. The wig stays in place a lot faster when I have 2 layers, and it just does better when I have 2 layers. So that's a little trick that I've learned over the years. I use the end of my rat tail comb to press the lace in, and I think it looks great immediately. Like, it just looks so good immediately. I pull a couple of the a couple of the hairs down, and I'm going to cut those for baby hairs. And then I'm going to add the lace melt band so the hairline can start to melt. So I trimmed those baby hairs and added a little bit of flexible hold hairspray and just, you know, press that in. I want the hairline to be nice and flat and the parting space to be flat as well. Added my clips to hold the parting space down so it's nice and flat. And then I'm just going to go in and add some curls to this unit. It's not going to be super curly. I kind of just want like that wavy look. So just go in and add some curls and give you my thoughts on this hair. So overall, I really do like this hair. It's good quality. Obviously, you guys already know that. UNice is one of the largest and longest running human hair companies around, and I've been in the game for almost 10 years. So absolutely love the hair quality. Still consistent and still really great. This wig is nice and full. It is just beautifully full and thick, and I love that about this unit because sometimes body wave isn't always the fullest. I love how this hair feels. I like how it holds a curl. Like I said, I didn't super curl this hair. I kind of just wanted that like beachy wavy look, but it worked well. I like the lace on this. The lace isn't too you know, calling attention to itself. It blends nicely, and I like that. What else can I say about the hair? It delivered pretty quickly, and yeah, I don't really have any complaints. I will link the hair down below. If you guys have questions, definitely leave it in the comments and I will get back to you. So let's go ahead and lay these baby hairs down. I grabbed my GLEEmade edge control. This edge control is available on Amazon as well as on GLEEmade.com. So you can definitely grab that and try that out. I went ahead and pushed some of the baby hairs back because I felt like, ooh, this might be a little too much. And just kind of swooped the ones that I wanted and pushed the rest of them away. Remember, this is a closure, so you don't have to do too much with it. And like I said, you could just wear it for the day and pop it on and pop it right back off. Decided to add a little bit more of the hairspray to just kind of hold my baby hairs in place and hold the hairline where I wanted it. I didn't add the lace melt band again because I kind of wanted this to be a little softer, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Oh yeah, put my robe back on because I was really pressed. I was like, oh, I'm loving this hot pink and I'm loving this robe. So I wanted to put it on and show you guys what it looked like. And yeah, finger comb these curls out. Love the wavy look. Love this unit. I will leave it down below so you can check it out and check out the, the entire website and what UNice has to offer. Again, if you guys have questions, leave them in the comments down below. I hope you guys are feeling this wig. I know I was really feeling myself like, ooh, your girl is cute, okay? And the red lip is from the Lip Bar. I will leave that in the comments down below as well. You can grab that off of Amazon too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you do one thing for me. Share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.